Well, hello folks, and a warm welcome from the Netherlands, day 2 here at Toverland. And there you have the Vekoma motorbike roller coaster, Boosterbikes. Similar sort of ride to Velocity at Fantasy Island. It is a better coaster in my eyes than Velocity at Fantasy Island. A lot more comfortable on there. The ride experience is a lot better. And I just think it's a better coaster altogether. But yeah, kicking off with that one. And I'll head down to this. Try the ride. And towering in front you've got GCI Troy. New joint #1 roller coaster for me, that one. That and Werewolf down at Wallaby, Belgium. Can't really separate them. Werewolf's very, very good, as is Troy. So you've got the bank drop there. Get good pockets of airtime on there as well. And it's just a super ride. Did the POV on the front row, got that. I'll download that in due course. I'll try and get a bit better off ride somewhere else. It is difficult with woodies to do off ride, but you sort of get the gist of it. There's a super bit back through the station there. Top woody for me, that. Well, joint top woody anyway. Troy. Yeah, good log flume that. Does start and finish indoors. Bit of an indoor section to the ride. A couple of turntables on there as well. You get a little bit wet at the end of here as well. It's alright. Yeah, have a look at it if you're ever at Toverland. Thought this would be a nice spot to do some off-ride of Dwervelwind, the Mack spinner. As I said on the POV, my first Mack spinning car. It's alright, it's better than the Revachon ones and the Visa Group ones. The onboard sound there as well. Let's get it going round. Some good elements, steep elements. And they are building very, very similar ride down at Paulson's Park, which will be opening next year. That's a Mack spinning car. Don't know if it's the exact same model as this, but it's that sort of thing, so look out for that one. Anyway, just in front here you've got the fountains now. As you can see, just for the graphic that I put on before this, they have special show times, and you have like a dancing fountain show. Really, really nice. I meant to do like a separate video, but totally forgot about it, but never mind. But yeah, really nice park, Toverland. Get yourself down here. It's €33 on the day. That's what I paid today. Anyway, head down to Fenix. Right, apologies if this is crap, and it's not my best bit of off-ride I've ever done, but thought I'd do a little perspective near the ride. Dwervelwind. That is a good bit of the ride, that, through there. Very similar sort of thing to Dragon's Fury, the horseshoe. Yeah, it's a good ride. Try it out. Yeah, and don't worry about it, I haven't forgot it. It's the B&M Wind Coaster, Fenix. Again, very good. I think personally I prefer Swarm down at Folk Park. And I'll tell you the best bit of the ride in my eyes is that massive pocket of air into the Immelman there. Then nice helix, 0G roll. Then into the final bit of the ride. It's very good. It could be longer. I think if it was longer, it gives Swarm a damn good run for its money, but it's very good. It's a B&M coaster. It's very, very smooth. It's going to be good. And the dive drop's pretty good as well. And also, intertwining with it really, really nicely is Merlin's Quest. It's a like local boat ride, very sedate. I had a little go on there earlier to sort of settle my head down a little bit after all the coasters. Managed to do quite a few re-rides today. The park has been very quiet. Had 5 goes on Fenix, 2 on Troy, a couple on the motorbikes. But yeah, nice little sedate boat ride. And that brings you nicely up close and personal with the ducks. Yeah, nice little ride. Right, not only closing off this particular video, but closing off the European theme park season for me. It's been emotional, it's been at times quite epic, and I just want to thank Park Asterix, Phantasialand, Movie Park Germany, Porta Vienna, Bobby Jaanland, Susan Freed, Efteling and here at Toverland for providing some lovely memories, some great experiences. Every park has been different. I mean, yesterday obviously I was at Efteling, absolutely totally different vibe to this place. And this is a really nice area, just down by the rapids. You've got the waterfalls, you've got all the water effects. I just thought it'd be a nice place to round it all off. Yeah, it's been a cracking 7 or 8 months doing theme parks, 9 months, however long the season's been going. And long may it continue into 2020. Anyway, I've got a couple of channel mentions and I've gone and forgot the channel names. However, I will do it down at Southend Adventure Island for the final amusement park video of the season. That's in a couple of weeks. Not sure about next weekend what I'm doing. Might do a little video around Eindhoven tomorrow, see what it's all about. Anyway, I got here today by foot. It took me about an hour and 10 minutes, something like that, to get up here. So I will be leaving slightly earlier than I would have done otherwise. A couple of them roads I was walking up were, shall we say, pavementless. I don't want to be walking in the dark down there. Anyway, thank you for being with me during my travels. It's been great having you on board. It's looking like Toverland will be my first European theme park for next season, for next year. In Verona, I've got to finalise when the park opens. I've got to tie it in with an holiday day. My flight's over. I'm looking at accommodation in Verona. A number of factors. Try and get Troy in there if I can. Fantastic GCI, that is. And this one isn't a bad motorbike coaster either. Miles better than Velocity. So anyway, I'm going to set you off for now. And I will see you soon. Thank you for watching. Greetings from Toverland.